Can we see private account followers on Instagram? Hello guys, this is Atticus from AppHacks, and in today's video, we'll discuss if it is possible to see private account followers on Instagram. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, simply head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. So now let us begin. So first, let us head over to our Instagram. After you are on your Instagram, simply go to the private page or private account that you want to see the followers of. Now here you'll notice that you cannot either see the following nor the followers. Now there is no way that you can see the followers on Instagram of a private account, but there are many videos and many websites that promise you that they can or they will make it possible for you to see the followers. Now most of them are just scams, and most of them just try to steal your information by logging your account into their website. So I suggest you guys to not do that. And also the only way that you can see the followers or the following of a private account is by simply following them. Now all you have to do is send a request and they will have to accept your request, of course, and then only you will be able to see their followers. And I hope that you guys understand this, and that is basically it. There are no tools or tricks that can accurately show you the followers list for a private Instagram account. And yeah, that is all for the video. I hope this answers your question. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye, take care.